Do you want to know how to buy USDT on your Moonpay? Here is the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to open your Moonpay application on your mobile device and create a Moonpay account. But if you have an existing one, just log in and enter your credentials for you to able to access it. After accessing your account, you will see this page, which is you will redirect on the assets section. And for you to able to buy USDT, you just have to find the T logo, which is, as you can see, you will see there is the Tether or under the USDT, but in TRC20, which is in Tron network. So, for example, in when you click the buy, you will see right here the Tether ERC20 under the Crypto Classics. You just have to click on it. It is on the Ethereum network, and for you to able to buy USDT on Ethereum network, you just have to click the buy button and select the amount you wanted to buy on USDT. Like for example, $50. You will receive 44.78 USDT. And that's how you buy USDT on your Moonpay.